Good day everybody, it's Waldo with MFP here. In this video I will be showing you how to install and remove the quick hitch mini loader. Simply lower the quick hitch to the lower position, drive up to the loader and lift up. Once you have the loader in the air, remove the block, lift it up off the ground and reverse. From there you will lift the loader to the up position, lock the pins in place, go to the front of the loader to give it a shake to ensure that the pins are in the locked position. From there, we will be taking the hydraulic hoses over to the ports. They are color coded with the caps. Remove the caps and install them the way you would any other implement. From there, you are ready to use the loader. Simply start the loader and you are ready to work. A few specs on the loader is that you can lift up to 500 pounds. You can exceed 500 pounds, but it is definitely not recommended. A ballast box is a must. Without a ballast box, you can only pick up about 200 pounds. So a ballast box would be highly recommended. This is great for moving gravel, mulch, dirt, anything you really need around the yard without needing any height, with plenty of lifting power. To remove the loader, tilt the loader forward about halfway through the stroke, remove the hydraulic hoses, and install the caps provided to ensure that they stay clean and keep debris out of it, so that way you won't have any hydraulic leaks. From there, drive the loader to where the resting position will be. Lower it just before it touches the ground and install the block provided. From there, you will put the loader in the float position, remove the pins into the lock position, lower the quick hitch and simply back out of position. A few other products that I have for the quick hitch would be two different trailer movers. This is a fixed mount where you can install your ball, and this one is one where you can install your truck receiver.